Hey creators, today I'm going to show you how to activate Instagram subscription and start monetizing your content using the built-in tools. And here's how to get it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then here tap the menu icon top right corner of the screen, then tap the settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap the monetization. Now, tap the monetization status. If you're eligible, you'll see the options like subscription, and you can tap to set it up if there's available on your screen. Then follow the setup steps, then choose the monthly price or customize your exclusive content like your lives, stories, or posts just for subscribers. And that's how you turn your Instagram subscriptions through your monetization status. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more creator tips. Thanks for watching.